Chanting with the 90 names of Almighty Allah who created you, me and whole the universe. Respected sir and my all dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Problems are part of life and facing them with smile is an art of life. So today I'm gonna speak on how to face the problems of life. What you do when your battle chooses you. What you do when something chooses up on your doorstep that you didn't directly cause. Chooses or definitely anticipate. Life is not always easy. In fact, some of you today you are here and you are going through the toughest season of your life. There will be season we will suffer. There will be season of real pain. And the question is, how will you respond in those moments? Life is hard sometimes, easy, but it's not an option. It's worth fighting, it's worth believing, it's worth giving yourself a chance, it's worth mastering yourself up, standing up inside yourself. And you might be in the battle of your life. There are problems that we go through that cause stress, worry, anxiety and fear. But it's not about what's happening around you, it's all about what's happening inside you. Just because you feel afraid doesn't mean you have to be afraid. Just because you feel discouraged doesn't mean you have to be discouraged. Just because you feel fear doesn't mean you have to be feared. So the sentence out of your mouth is a story that you are putting out. So I'm not gonna make it. I quit. Let's get divorced. Business never come back. We have lost too many people. I have made so many mistakes and I'm failure. Nobody can help me. I have done with so many bad things. So I don't know what coming out of your mouth, but it's the death sentence. When you continue to confess it, when you continue to declare it, and well, don't be surprised when it comes true in your life. मुझे खुद को जिंदा रखना है, मुझे खुद को बचाना है, मुझे खुद को जिंदा रखना है, मुझे खुद को बचाना है, मुझे हर मुश्किल से लड़ना है, हर तूफान से लड़ना है. So we have to make sure that when we think a death sentence, we must speak a life sentence. Oh, I'm feeling the sentence of death. I'm feeling the sentence of anxiety. Oh, I'm feeling the thoughts that I have done and feel like I have been used. It hurts, it's difficult, but when that happens, I must speaking out of a life sentence. So no, I'm gonna keep showing up. I'm gonna get wake up because the righteous man, he falls 7 times, but he never give up. He get up and never give in. Because your past, because your skills can't get you past. Certain things, quickness, agility can't. You gotta have mental toughness. And your pain are not permanent. Pain are not permanent. You can get through this. You can get through this. That you are bigger than your pain. You are better than that. Come on, you need to remember this. This is not the first time you cried. This is not the first time you were short of breath. This is not the first time you didn't see a way clear. This is not the first time you didn't have enough money. This is not the first diagnosis come from behind sin. जिंदगी की राहों में मुश्किलें आती हैं, जिंदगी की राहों में मुश्किलें आती हैं, बहुत सारे इम्तिहान आते हैं. हम ना हारे, हम ना माने, ये जिंदगी है हर पल जीतने की. So I'm gonna live. I'm gonna live. So I'm gonna live shall pass, and I will remain. And I will remain. I don't gonna quit. If you don't gonna quit, you will win, and you can work through this. Gonna get out. You gonna get dressed. You gonna do what you have been called to do, and you are gonna prove to all of everybody that try to kill your dream. Everybody that try to stop you. Everybody that try to break you. So you have to prove all of them wrong. Just keep coming back. एंड खुद की जिंदगी को अपने हाथों में लो, हर मुश्किल को पीछे छोड़ दो, हर मुश्किल को पीछे छोड़ दो, क्योंकि ये जिंदगी हर पर बदल जाने की. सो बिलीव इन योर ओवन पावर एंड टेक योर लाइफ इन योर हैंड्स एंड ओवरकम एवरी डिफिकल्टीज. दिस इज द लाइफ अबाउट टू changing every moment. So in the last, I would like to say some lines, then I will take my seat. So if I talk about myself, before joining this academy, I was a girl who ran away to face the difficulties and also to face the peoples and come forward and speak in front of everyone. And it's challenging too when I joined this academy, because we have to speak on the daily basis, and it was challenging for me and it was very difficult for me. So in the past I would remain absent, usually even I remained absent 1 month, but with the help of Sir Sajid Rar, with his guidance, with his motivation, today I am here in front of you. And now I think about myself when I was in past. I laughed at myself that how silly I was. This is too easy, but I make it too big. So like that, Iba Mazari said, sometimes problems are not too big. We are so small to handle them. So like this, we make our problems too big, and in reality they are not so big. So, and as we know that today is speech competition, and for some girls it's a problem, and we can say that it's a challenge for them. Nobody, you don't have to be worried, because it's not difficult. You just have to believe in yourself and say to yourself that it's nothing in front of me. I can do like this. So if problems not come in our life, so how we will learn? This is all our learning. We learn from our mistakes. We learn from our past. So these are the things which make us more brave and mature. Thank you.